T-Train moved on to Bonelli Bluffs RV Park. It is about 30 minutes outside of Los Angeles, very close to Ontario, California, technically San Dimas, California. And this is where you will check in. There is a guard shack. This is a very large park and different places to stay, different price points. Good Sam costs us about roughly $80 a night to be in here. There's a laundry center right when you come in. This is a beautiful area. I definitely recommend coming back here and staying. And let's go check it out. All right, once you've gotten past the guard shack, which is at the top of this place, and you've checked in right there, there's a little market inside, things to do. Get you some ice, some beverages, a couple snacks. And I told you about the laundry right there, dump station, pet pickup is throughout the park. And all of these are 30/50 pavement, full hookup. Stunning. There are bathhouses throughout, so you don't have to worry about not finding one. They're everywhere, dumpsters are everywhere. You can see one back there. Also trash cans. Genius. Table, fire pit. For most folks, and a lot of space between you and your neighbor, which is nice, and you will pay for that in your price point. It's not all packed in. This little area right here is a little full. There's a lot of full-time people here. Yeah, we'll move on. Yep, so look here at the top of Bonelli Bluffs, and you even have another plateau up here, and it overlooks the lake. Absolutely fantastic. Another bathhouse there. Everything you can ask for, especially grass. When we were in the desert before, and now there's grass everywhere where there was no grass. All right, here's another money shot for you. There's the lake. You can see I-10 way off in the distance there. But that is just supreme view. Can't get enough of that. Wouldn't mind parking this thing here for a couple months, and may do that at some point. Yep, we're right on the lake now. Look at that. You can drive around this thing too, by the way. And I see a beach area down through there. And some paddle boats you can rent. It's starting to rain on us a little bit, so we're gonna have to go back inside. And this is the kind of view that you're gonna get at Bonelli Bluffs here in San Dimas. Catch a little portion of the lake right there. There's the bottom of the RV park that you can stay in. We're at the top. There's a little airport. It's a gorgeous views. It is a very cool afternoon. We've had a lot of rain. And there's different price points on the sites that you can stay in. We elected to stay in that guy right there. It's a pull through, just a 2-night stay, no dog fence. We're very close to the swimming pool. And we really enjoyed it. We're trapped inside for a couple of days, but we are taking in a little walk this afternoon. And it's just beautiful here, and we would definitely come back. Hope you enjoyed it. Safe travels.